National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a tornado warning for South Central Cherokee County in upstate South Carolina, Northwestern Chester County in upstate South Carolina, Northeastern Union County in upstate South Carolina, Southwestern York County in upstate South Carolina, until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:19 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This storm was located 8 miles southwest of Hickory Grove, or 13 miles southeast of Gaffney, and moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. This storm will impact locations near Lockhart, Lowry's, and McConnell's. This tornado warning replaces the severe thunderstorm warning that was in effect for the same area. A tornado is likely developing. Seek shelter in an interior room on the lowest level of a house or office building. Place as many floors and walls between you and the outside as possible.